Welcome friends, you're going to love this family recipe for taco soup. Starting off, we're going to need a package of ground beef, 1 pound, a package of taco seasoning, 2 cans of chili beans that have been seasoned, 2 cans of Mexican stewed tomatoes, a large can of hominy, an onion, and a can of corn. Next step, chop your onion, add it to your beef, and go ahead and brown it. Then put it between paper towels on a cookie sheet and really get any of the grease out. Now's where the soup gets really easy. Go ahead and add your taco seasoning and then just dump in all your cans that you have left, all the different ones, and then at the end you'll be also adding 1 can of water. If you prefer the soup to be a little thinner, you can add another can of water. I like to break up the tomatoes and just stir it really good and just let it set on the stove and simmer for a little while. Enjoy this soup. It's like having a taco in a bowl. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.